Welcome back to Fuse. We're moving along now to Andhra Pradesh, the glorious land of family entertainment and all things masala. Fourth week running and running very successfully is a movie called Mr. Perfect. No, it's not about the wrestler. It's actually about a family man called Mr. Perfect. I'm actually joking. The movie's got a lot more to that than this. And it has been running successfully, houseful for 4 weeks, which is why in Hyderabad, they decided to have a success meet. Now, the movie stars Kajal, Tapasree and Prabhas. It's directed by Dasarath and it's, of course, under the banner of Sri Venkateshwara Productions. The music is by Devi Sri Prasad. And at the end of the day, all we can say is that if you guys love Telugu family entertainers and you love your movie to be a little masala based but still keeping that, you know, conservative sentiment of family, you'd love to watch Mr. Perfect.
ఇక్కడ బెటర్ చెప్పు ఇక్కడ బెటర్ చెప్పు పో ఇక్కడ కూడా బెటర్
చలి చలిగా అల్లింది కిలిగిలిగా గెల్లింది నీ వైపే మళ్ళింది మనసు చిటపట చిందేస్తుంది అటు ఇటు దూకేస్తుంది సతమతమైపోతుంది వయసు.
Mr. Murali Mohan and Dr. K. Vishwanath were among the two senior and wonderful people who decided to come over there along with a whole score of celebrities to celebrate the success of Mr. Perfect. Now we had, of course, Prabhas, who, of course, according to Mr. Murali Mohan, was a person with very good taste. They were all very excited and happy to talk about the success of the film, and we have more on that for you. Apart from that, of course, you have Kajol and Tapasree. Well, let me stop talking right now and show you what they have to say about the success of Mr. Perfect, and let them woo you into going and buying your movie ticket.
That's the way. Okay.
రావు గారి అబ్బాయి యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలన్నాడు కానీ వాళ్ళ బాబేమో డాక్టర్నే చేశాడు పైసలెన్నో వస్తున్నా.
I am moving with young people, young directors, young writers, young cameramen. అందరితో కూడా మూవ్ అవ్వటం వల్ల నా జనరేషన్ నుంచి ఈ జనరేషన్కి వచ్చిన మార్పులు కానీ వారిలో ఉన్నటువంటి సృజన శక్తి కానీ క్రియేటివిటీ కానీ అన్నీ చూసే అవకాశం నాకుంది.
అంటుంది నా నరం రోజుకొకసారైనా నీతో మాట్లాడకపోతే లోపలంతా గరం గరం. మై హార్ట్ ఇస్ బీటింగ్ అదోలా.
తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఏముంటుందిరా ఒంట్లో కొవ్వెక్కిపోయి హార్ట్ లో వాల్స్ బ్లాక్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. చూపించుకోరా సన్నాసి.
ఈ సినిమాను చూసిన ప్రేక్షకులు ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత కుటుంబ సమేతంగా అందరూ ఒక ఆరోగ్యపరంగా చక్కగా చూసుకునే సినిమా వచ్చిందండి. సినిమా బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసామని అన్ని వర్గాల వాళ్ళు, లేడీస్ దగ్గర నుంచి, స్టూడెంట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి, యూత్ దగ్గర నుంచి, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా ఈ సినిమా చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా బాగుందని.
First of all, I would like to say a very big thank you to the audience for making this movie such a big success. I haven't had an opportunity to thank everybody with my heart ever before because this is the first function of Mr. Perfect that I am attending, and I would like to start my list of thank yous.
ఏం గెలవడమో ఇంతమందిలో డాడీ ఏమని అడుగుతారో, అడిగితే వాళ్ళేమంటారో ఈ టెన్షన్. ఇలా ముద్దు పెట్టావని మా మావయ్యకి తెలిసిందనుకో
ఏం చేస్తాడు?
నన్ను లవ్ చేసావని తెలిస్తేనే రౌడీలోనే పంపించాడు. ముద్దు పెట్టావని తెలిస్తే చంపేస్తాడు.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ సినిమా చాలా స్పెషల్ సినిమా ఫర్ మీ, ఎందుకంటే నేనే ఈ సినిమాలో నా డబ్బింగ్ ఈ సినిమాలో నేనే చెప్పాలి, రైట్?
నేను చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూల్లో చాలాసార్లు సినిమా గురించి చెప్పాను. నేను కొత్తగా ఏం చెప్పాలో నాకు తెలీదు. బట్ ఐ థ్యాంక్ మై ఫ్యాన్స్, ఆడియన్స్, ఫ్యామిలీ ఆడియన్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్. ఇంత మంచి హిట్ ఇచ్చినందుకు మీ అందరికీ చాలా 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 థ్యాంక్స్.
In Tamil Nadu, now we're going into the whole genre of, well, the thrillers. if you want to call it that. Adrian Munre is a movie where, of course, you have a software professional who is accused of a crime he didn't commit and then eventually gets hung up in a gang war. It has nothing to connect the dots, which is why you need to go and watch the movie. Starring Poonam Bajwa and Srikanth, whom I both had the pleasure of talking to and at the same point of time looking at and admiring. Specifically Srikanth, and I think that it's very, very cool that the boy is doing some brilliant movies. It's not right to call him a boy though, but he does look it. He's really young looking for a man. Sri, if you're watching this, man, I love you. But apart from that, of course, the movie is all set to release. The shooting is going on at this point of time, and we will, of course, give you a date of release shortly. But for now, check out Yedriyan Moone and be right back.
Hi, this is Poonam Bajwa, and today was the puja of my film Yedriyan Moone.
Hi everybody, this is Richard M. Nathan, cinematographer of the film Yedriyan Moone. So after Co, I'm doing Yedriyan Moone as my next project. It's a very demanding script in terms of cinematography.
So we have the set here behind me, and we are going to start the shooting with the song today. It's very, very fast number. I can't exactly call it a Kuttu song, but it requires a lot of folk western steps. It's like a fusion, but it's very, very fast.
Tamil music, or rather Tamil cinema music, has evolved around the decades. It's now very fast-paced, very western, very modern. And if you guys love a little bit of a beat with your Tamil soundtracks, then you might want to pick up a CD or a cassette of this movie, because the music is scored by Dharan. It's got a lot of urban beats included in it. Also, at the same point of time, you have Ram Kumar, who is the director of this movie, and he guarantees that the film is going to be a fast-paced thriller that will keep you on the edge of your seat. We'll see you in a little while. Stick around and see what we have left in store for you for Adrian Munre.
Accused number 3. It's probably the way they call you in the court when there is an accused. It's based on a crime genre. It's a thriller genre. Fantastic script. The script is the main key. I would say that is the protagonist. Certainly going to be a hit track. We heard to the track. Fabulous. And we're looking forward to Simbu singing for the song. I hope he does that. It will be very nice.
It's time for us to take a break. Link right now over here on Fuse. Fill yourself up with whatever it is you get at the movie halls, because let's face it, if we weren't addicted to that, we won't go to movie halls, because a lot of films right now aren't doing very well, but we have the ones that will. We'll see you in a little while. Stick around.